Court is calling 2024 CR 6357, State of Texas versus Ricardo Humberto Gutierrez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Pettis, Edelman.
Defense?
Adrian Pettis.
Before we jump into this case, let me set the scene for you. Ricardo Gutierrez is facing a state jail felony theft charge in Texas, and Judge Boyd is not holding back today. What starts as a simple plea quickly spirals into a harsh reality check as the judge digs into his past, his excuses, and his long pattern of stealing. Pay close attention, because this hearing exposes not just a crime, but a behavior cycle Judge Boyd is determined to break. And trust me, the moment the judge starts listing past stolen items, this whole courtroom shifts. Let's get into it.
And are you Mr. Gutierrez?
Yes. Yeah.
Did you understand you're charged with theft under $2,500 enhanced as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Are you employed?
Yes, Your Honor.
What do you do?
Forklift operator.
Okay. Do you have any children?
I have two boys and I have two boys with my wife and one boy with my ex.
What are their ages?
23, 15, and 24.
All right. So you're here on a theft enhanced. Why do you continue to steal?
I don't have an excuse that I stole, ma'am. I just know that I wouldn't do it again, and I hadn't done it in over 10 years or so.
Well, you say you wouldn't do it again, but we're on here on a theft enhanced because you've stolen before. Otherwise, you'd be in misdemeanor court. So we're back to why you're stealing.
Immatureness.
Huh?
Immature.
How old are you?
44.
All right.
Step up so you can speak up.
44? When are you no longer immature? Because you're 44 and this happened in 2024. So that means at a minimum, you were 42 years old when you committed this.
This is where things really start getting uncomfortable and revealing. Watch closely as Judge Boyd presses him about why he's stealing. Not food, not essentials, but night vision optics, tanning products, and things he can't even remember. The judge isn't just being tough here. He's trying to understand whether this behavior is compulsive, opportunistic, or part of something deeper. And notice how Ricardo keeps saying he has no excuse, but can't give a real explanation either. This is the moment many defendants lose credibility. What do you think is happening here? Is he overwhelmed with life pressures, or is this a pattern he refuses to face? Let me know in the comments.
Offense. So what do you mean you're immature?
Well, the long answer would be that my family moved out. They were living with me and my wife, and when they moved out, it was a hardship on us because they were helping with all the bills. But my dad has a family violence on me, so that's why they moved out.
So your father has a family violence case
On
where you're the.
no, he assaulted me.
All right. So this is what I don't understand. The items that you're stealing, it's not food. Not that that's. All right. So everyone, no talking behind the court reporter. If you need to speak to your client, just ask the deputy to move them to the other end. We're on the record. All right. So what did you steal?
It was a set of binoculars probably, and
All right. So you're stealing binoculars. Why?
and
I mean, it's not a rear window thing.
I bought I was purchasing food and I had got the binoculars just as a at the moment, like I just
No, it says here that you took night vision optics, So some night vision. Is that the binoculars?
Similar to binocular, yes.
All right. So again, why would you take that? That's not food. That's not anything.
I just want to see if I could make a buck, really, to see if I could make money off of
The
it.
LED light, that's not food. Why are you taking that?
I have no excuse, Your Honor.
And what is DMC BSK? What's that?
I don't remember, but
And then what is B tanned? Is that for tan? Is that a tanning product?
I'm not sure. It was maybe moisturizing lotion. I'm not
I'm
sure.
sorry, what?
Moisturizer, maybe.
For $9.97?
I'm not sure. It could be tan oil. I'm not sure.
All right, why do you need tanning oil?
If that's what it was, I don't know if that's what it was. I'm not sure on that item. The exact items, I'm not sure, because I was purchasing like food and stuff too for the holidays also.
Yeah, it was a tanning product. I
was?
just see, yes. So you're stealing and you don't even know what you're stealing. And then you're taking night vision binoculars.
It's something I wouldn't do again. It was dumb. That's why I say I'm not trying to make excuses for what I did. I just know my freedom's worth more than those items.
All right, you
And-
act as though it's not though, because previously you stole and the other time you stole, it's Blu-ray DVD movies, a power pack, a Steph ball paint gun, Kenwood car stereo, a cell phone. I mean, you're just running around stealing and I don't understand why. And the reason why I'm asking you these questions, the state has agreed for you to be on deferred adjudication, but I don't know if you can be helped or not because it appears that your job is stealing.
Mhm.
Well, no, I mean, it is.
Well, I have a job. I don't steal regularly, but I know it seems that way because over the years that's happened. But I think the scare like to I'm scared to go to to jail. I'm scared to have my freedom taken away. I'm scared to abandon or like just leave my kids without their dad and not have them get picked up from school.
When you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Clean for everything.
Here you go. You're going to get drug tested today. So what are the results going to be?
Clean for everything. I don't smoke marijuana. I don't drink alcohol.
All right. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Walmart. That's every Walmart. So you have to go somewhere else. Give somebody else business. There's a
So let's break down what happened here. Judge Boyd ultimately chose deferred adjudication, giving Ricardo a chance to avoid a formal conviction, but only if he follows strict terms, including staying away from every Walmart and completing probation requirements. The judge emphasized maturity, responsibility, and communication, stressing that any new offense could land him in state jail for up to 2 years. This hearing wasn't just about theft. It was about personal accountability and breaking a long-term cycle before it destroys his future. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, make sure to hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns and expert insight. Your support helps us keep bringing these cases to light.
$500 fine. That will be probated. Ms. Abrams, if we can do the CATS theft course, do they have a CATS 1 and 2 for theft? All right, it's going to be CATS 1 and 2. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Just the guidance that probation offers.
All right, probation will give you guidance, but you're going to have to not steal. You understand? All right, we can go off the record. In this court, communication is key when you're on probation. If you have an issue, let probation know. You understand? If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and you're too old to be saying that you're immature. You understand?
Yes.
So no more stealing. If you steal or if you commit another offense and a motion to revoke is filed, you're looking at up to 2 years in the state jail facility. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Pressure, good luck. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Carm?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, who's your client?
Your Honor, may I approach? And first, may I say, I apologize. I forgot my jacket today.
Can people forget jackets? What?
It's so hot. I ran into the office and the secretary took a 2-week vacation. I am no good without her. Don't tell her that.
Oh, I'm
but-
gonna tell her that and her pay should reflect that.
All right.
Thank you,
Hold on.
Mr. DeLeon.
Hold on. There's cigarettes in here. I don't know what to do.
Hey, Michael, care, custody and control.